leaps right into a boat, clearly knowing exactly where the fish are. Surprisingly, a crocodile behaves just like a dog, calmly taking a treat in the most unexpected way.
This way. This way. No, my goodness. No, my goodness. Oh, thank you. Middle of the road, donkey. Come on.
At home.
Ah, watch my rose bush, dude!
Then, two parrots argue over chips, turning it into a loud and funny fight.
Put the goat down! Drop the goat! Oh my gosh.
Самых бесполезных советов. 3 самых бесполезных совета.
Without a full inspection.
Chaotic moment, a rabbit rushes towards a tree and crashes straight into the camera.
He's letting his intrusive thoughts win.
Elephants can grow over 13 feet tall and weigh tons. No wonder that car looks tiny. In this situation, honestly, that's the best move he could make.
Only catch him in the act.
Soon after, a tiny stoat bounces energetically across the snow, almost like it's defying gravity.
Midnight inspection by Officer Barry.
What are your options, are?
No cardio, please.
They're calling for you. No, you can't get back. No, don't get back on the bus. What the hell?
At the same time, a playful otter approaches a human and asks for help spinning around.
Wow. Ui. แรงนะ
Clumsy moment, a blind frog leaps for food, but it ends up falling straight into a water dish.
Apparently, parrots love chips.
Oh my goodness! It's a baby cat!
Mysterious and unexpected moment unfolds, leaving viewers surprised at what happens next. While as tourists quietly film a tiger, a donkey suddenly walks into the frame with a hilarious smile, completely stealing the spotlight.
Look at him. Alex. It Bigfoot. It Bigfoot. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, they love the bubbles.
Just a little penguin discovering the joy of bubbles.
An orangutan stares into a mirror and starts making the funniest faces, almost like it knows exactly what it's doing. After a bear forcefully breaks into a cabin after knocking down the door.
Been there, done that.
Feeding time turns chaotic as a puffer fish keeps going through the ordeal. Then the pelican confidently approaches and fitness ordered food, expecting a delivery like DoorDash. Meanwhile, a group of raccoons shows up at a human's door, almost as if they're politely asking for cookies.
Say a word, but you can tell he loves his new toy.
You know the owl is fancy when it's getting its legs blow dried.
Gabriel! Thiago!
No, you're not helping. You're not helping. You're not helping.
They're just trying to figure out what that is. Even the dog's done with it.
Get ready for surprises when wild guests turn human life into a comedy show.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my bear! Hey!
Gathering leaves, but make it cute.
Hey,
but those curved claws make climbing easy.
The literal goat. Way to embarrass yourself in front of the whole gang.
After that, a peacock crashes through a window and escapes in a dramatic fashion.
Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving.
This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
Oh no!
Hilarious twist, the dog dressed in an elephant costume moves around like a wind-up toy, confusing everyone.
Oh boy, I already feel bad for the goat's next opponent.
Then a group of ducks appears to be playing hide and seek, even seeming to laugh during the game. When things settle, a mischievous monkey quickly snatches a water bottle from a man and runs off.
August 13th.
Oh my god!
What? What?
Look next to you.
Shortly after, an orangutan drinks water in the funniest and most relatable way. After that, a baby gorilla enjoys a playful swing ride while clinging to its mother's back.
She just wanted to feel like a Disney princess. But the fairy tale didn't last long.
You just sitting? Just chilling?
He's just chilling.
You're so cute.
Meanwhile, a fluffy raccoon happily plays with a dog, creating an unlikely but adorable friendship. Playful bull shows an unexpected obsession with soccer, chasing the ball like a pro athlete. At the same time, two turtles react very differently to bath time. One loves the shower while the other hides from the water.
Yeah, buddy, this one's gonna cost you a lot.
The squirrel has claimed this house as his own. This is why pandas are endangered. They endanger themselves.
Meanwhile, a baby tiger attempts to surprise pounce on a zoo guard, but ends up giving a cute hug instead.
Everyone wants to be a part of this headbutting party.
Where an orangutan cleverly opens his juice box and drinks from using the straw like a human.
Go. Go.
Unexpected dance party.
Go, Daddy. It's your birthday. We don't party like it's your birthday.
Falls on a farm, completely entertained by the simple fun.
That's a pet raccoon, and he loves tricking his owners into giving belly rubs.
A goat and an emu unexpectedly break into a synchronized dance, turning the moment into pure comedy.
Flash dance, but for cows.
People say cats hate water. Really, nobody told this big cat.
I'll feel like this gorilla sometimes.
This horse speaks fluent sarcasm.
Well, now you know why.
a natural talent.
Capybara relaxes while riding on its mother's back in the water.
When you're out in public, but acting way too comfortable like you're still at home.
It's come to steal the fish, but he can't find any. Hey, howdy, you little stinkers.
The dog accidentally shocks itself on a fence while a donkey nearby seems to laugh at the situation. Bear returns to a house just to look at its own picture displayed on a signboard.
With a personal coach like this, he's definitely going wrong.
Where are you going? Why are you approaching me? Can you not? Sir, can I? What the? What the?
Budgie and a cockatoo appear to have a full-on conversation, chirping back and forth.
That is so cute. That's a good one. Aw, you're cuddling? Aw, you look sweet.
Camels are just secret ballerinas. He's an expert at Flora's lava. The other was like, "You good, mate?" And now we have an off-duty bear. He's totally living his best life.
Then the gorilla calmly enjoys eating an apple completely at peace.
Bears are evolving.
Come on, dude. Whoa.
Running with the duck's food? Not on their watch.
She's a little bit further out there. She'll grow up one day and she'll be able to reach up on that wall. She's a little bit further out there.
Caught in the act, food thief exposed. Should we call the cops or animal control?
Oh, you okay?
You okay? What do you do? Give me the bucket. You look hard. You look like it. Oh my God.
Gets jealous and way too protective.
Windows 7的系统给我打开了，是要给我更新系统啊？更新系统吗？啊？
Definitely not one to overthink things.
Hilarious twist. The bull takes responsibility and walks the drunk owner safely home.
Tiger shark! Tiger shark ran.
Sometimes misunderstandings happen just because we love too hard and try to protect too much.
At this zoo, the bears show off their artistic skills to earn their meals.
You get him?
Yeah.
At the same time, a raccoon relaxes in bed while enjoying candy like a late night snack. A family of skunks approaches a biker, casually greets him, and then walks away.
Барселона. Ты чё? Хотел поесть.
Meanwhile, a bear sneaks up to a house and confidently asks the owner for food, like it belongs there.
No, все, вали давай.
The horse steps in and heals the owner while a newborn calf is being handled.
Just a raccoon getting his workout in.
It's right in the middle of the basketball game, interrupting the action. After, a cat gets completely startled when an owl turns its head in that eerie, unexpected way.
Sweetheart, out of the kitchen. Oh my goodness.
Come on up. Come on. Listen to your daddy. Let's go. Come on. Good boy. Good boy.
Standing up is supposed to make red pandas look scary, but it just makes them look even cuter.
That another bear shares an emotional hug with a human, showing a surprisingly gentle side.
I know somebody that has that face.
It's just
Go. You almost got it. No. Slow.
After a baby goat steals the show by jumping around non-stop in the most energetic way.
Channeling their inner cat. Then another gorilla takes things up a notch by throwing water directly at the camera. Raccoon dressed as a pumpkin sits outside, blending in with its surroundings in a hilarious way.
Puppy, come on. That's it. Whoa. Wait, what are you doing? You wanna come up? You're not going to. You wanna come up? Who says you can't train a crocodile?
Moment, a baby elephant attempts to climb onto a farmer's back, unaware of just how big it really is. Gently Gorilla casually plays with a tiny rat, showing an unexpected friendship.
Oh, it is. Oh my god!
Pelicans will try to eat anything.
但是啊，我就搞不懂了，这个楼是有多么的好玩啊，是有多好？你过来，你把脸给我伸过来，过来。
Daytime robbery.
Far away, a cheeky monkey attempts to steal a pumpkin from a gorilla, but simply regrets it. Funny twist where a bunny seems to trade its kids just to get carrots.
Having a younger sibling show up like this, yeah, it's a lot. Raccoon be like, hold on, my turn now, you wait.
Stop it out there. Stop that.
panda becomes completely mesmerized by a frog's sudden leap, turning a simple moment into pure curiosity. Surprising interaction, a rhino casually wakes up a dog resting on the sidewalk.
Sometimes you just need a little push to get things done.
Oh! Get him, boys! Yeah, he's gone!
This cow wanted to test the theory. Is the grass greener on the other side?
There's always a chance a bear might try to steal your beer.
A serious moment, a mother chimpanzee disciplines her son after he starts throwing rocks at people.
To drive.
While a wild kangaroo and his dog get into a tug of war over a blanket, refusing to back down.
但是怎么不打架呢？笑死我了！当时说在会议上，咱们在会议上怎么不打架？咱们真的不能两个。
This seems personal.
Orangutan react. Pure amazement to a magic trick. Clearly fascinated.
Семена бедолаги за 3 рыбы заберут. Братишка, ну что там?
May require an offering.
Ай-яй-яй-яй-яй. Смотри, сейчас клюнет, братан.
While another rabbit closes its eyes, seemingly convinced that makes it invisible to its owner.
Who knew this thing could actually be used like that?
Yeah, there's another one on his way too.
Oh my god!
Bizarre sight, elephants acting drunk after eating fermented fruit.
Do it again. Alright, here he goes, Dizzy. He's like,
When you pull us, pal.
Wait.
I hear all about it.
In a funny turn, a capybara that spent time with dogs turns to look exactly like one of them. A frog proudly shows off after catching a snake while a nearby cat watches in disbelief.
This is what pandas do when nobody's looking. took pictures of him and wanted the gorilla to approve one for the gram.
Bear cub meets a young fawn for the very first time, creating a surprisingly calm and curious moment.
Look at that. These two just met for the first time.
When the king of the jungle walks by, yeah, everyone shows respect.
安生，你别舔了，那是你弟弟呀，你舔他干嘛呀？一会儿把他头舔秃噜皮了。那你舔吧，反正你弟弟有蛋蛋，你没有。你没有。
Impressive moments, an orangutan uses stones as tools to crack open coconuts and even demonstrates it.
This is apparently how some guys chase a pretty girl.
Raccoon lounges on a flamingo float while eating ice cream, living a surprisingly luxurious.
Good girl.
On your phone?
Unexpectedly sneaks into a car during a safari, surprising everyone inside. Cooking scene where a mother elephant seeks help from zookeepers to wake her deeply sleeping baby. Excitedly plays with a giant pumpkin, treating it like a toy.
Oh my god, oh my god. This guy really needs to relearn how to behave when someone gives him food.
See, that was it.
Why scavenge for food when you can break into a seed shop?
Do you think someone should tell him that's not an automatic goat feeder?
How to bring humans into your trap? Act cute!
An orangutan watches a magic trick unfold and looks completely amazed as if trying to figure out the secret.
Hedgehog knew exactly how to ask for help. Okay, thanks, bye.
Red Raccoon stretches out and enjoys a peaceful sunbath, soaking in every moment.
You enjoying the sun? Hilarious. Where are you going? You can see him like right here. Oh my gosh. Like I'm putting on a show.
And things escalate when a gorilla grabs a girl's hair only to be quickly corrected by another gorilla. Impresses everyone by showing off its incredible acrobatic skills.
Oh man, to another.
He clearly didn't think that would work.
Oh my god, this penguin just totally...
Tiny hamster bravely tries to scare away construction workers despite its size. After, a panda loses its balance and falls from a tree in the most clumsy yet adorable way.
Sorry, pal. Every table's already booked.
What is that?
Oh my gosh, you hit the car. I got it on video.
This is how capybaras learn how to walk in water.
Nana's no ordinary orangutan. She acts like she files her taxes every year.
Raccoons can literally have fun anywhere.
There it goes.
running out to play, and now he's getting a free ride back to the zoo. Classic.
Today we have Crunchy Girls from Trader Joe's testing to see if deer like this.
What you think?
Monkey makes an emotional face while asking a human for an apple, making it impossible to refuse.
Before we begin the show, please remember to keep all hands behind the pool at all times. All photos and videos must be for your personal use only. Carl.
At the same time, a bear gently tries to catch falling snowflakes, almost like it's experiencing winter magic for the first time.
Is he giving you hugs? I don't know. Try to give him a hug.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Why are you licking the house?